So what are we going to do today, Yana? We're going climbing. Yay! Okay, so yeah, keep watching and we will introduce you of the amazing place here. This is instruction. Here are the place we're going later. Yana is doing the testing run. Okay, Yana is going to slide. Fly, Yana, fly!
Genau, ja. Da nur einfach da einhängen und raus. Nee, lass den im Prinzip nochmal normal.
2,000 years later.
Yana is going to climb up to there. She's just struggling with this C-shaped hanger. Patty, what did you say? Nice climb. Here are a lot of tracks. These are 5. It's number 1. And Yana decided to do number 6. Oh. Okay. Oh, it looks so fucking hard. Oh my gosh. Well, something you shouldn't laugh. Patty, what were you laughing?
Because you're funny.
Shall we help Yana?
But this is weird. It's like a monkey.
I think the most annoying part is definitely this
With
one.
the seeker one, yeah.
Yes. It's harder than I thought. Yana, are you already 12?
Yes. But you don't look like it.
Because this track you can only play when you're 12. Okay.
Does this thing? It's really annoying. Let's go.
Let's go.
No, it's moving. Little monkey. Oi. Oi. Oh, nice. How do you go up? Just put one foot. Can I? Should I give you a hand? And then you can like just come on the platform. She made it. We can go home already.
So I just came from this net and now I'm going up to there. Let's look down. There's Patty's shoes.
Sorry.
There's my shoes. Okay. Let's follow Yana.
I'm just struggling. Yeah, this one.
That was funny. This is good. It's not user friendly for Asian people because it's really high. Okay. Okay. You can film Yana. What is she doing? Okay. Yana is so chill because she went to a gym. She's sponsored by Clever Fit. So we are nearly coming to the end. There's Here's Yana taking a picture. So high. Okay. Oh my gosh. Strong Yana. This is a wild monkey you usually can find in the forest of Germany. She likes to eat Kinder Chocolate. The whole package of that at once.
Can't I just jump?
Yeah,
No. Can I?
I think you're allowed to. But no, it's no buffer down there, so better just keep going.
I'm going up again.
Finish the first track. Yes.
It's really hard.
Thank you for our camera girl, Haji, to record all of our exhausting what is that, videos? Tries. Yes, and now we're going to number 11.
Yeah, it's a very chill
Yeah,
track.
okay. We think so then.
We
Yes,
hope so.
We hope so. We hope so. It's really chill. Okay. See you later.
Bye bye.
At 11. See ya. Okay. Are we all 14 already? Yes. We're going up.
12 seconds later.
Okay, I need to take a rest. This is 20 meters high, and Yana is coming. Yeah. Yes. Woo! Strong.
Yay!
Yay! Okay, it's in the middle, and now it's. What is this hacker called in English? It's snowing. Oh. We're in the middle of nowhere. We're really in the middle of
It's
nowhere.
raining a lot.
Yes, it was cold. And we are really high. My face is so frozen. Oh, I couldn't even speak. Okay. Oh shit! Okay. Patty went to call the Mitarbeiter.
So let's try it.
This lock has 2 of us on it, so.
But usually the last one should be open the whole time.
So we are finished now. Oh, so cold. We need to eat something and drink something. Oh. Yeah, so we are drinking hot chocolate now.
Yeah.
So cold. Cheers.
Cheers. Your mayo?
Ketchup. Okay, so we're going home now. We can turn on the light. No, it's not good. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like the video, comment below and share to your friend. Maybe they can also come here. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye. Thank you, Yana. Bye.